What's going on, guys? Monday morning, Mega Money Mondays. That's the nickname for Mondays right now. Germany, Thailand at the moment. Nice. What's going on in Thailand right now? I want to get some of that Thailand vibes. Yeah, something's going on with SureTrader today. You can see my equity as well is not updated. So I got the same equity as last Friday. So they didn't update. Something's going on. Maybe they closed. Maybe they took all of our money and ran. That's the best part about SureTrader. You just never really know what's going to happen. They might close down. They might take all of our money. They might never come back. But hey, you know, it was fun while it lasted. Right? Is that the way to look at it? Taking a look here at LBIX. LBIX, big crazy mover on Friday the 13th. LBIX did some crazy stuff. Looking here at the 5-minute chart, LBIX pulling back pretty hard there on Friday in the close. You can see from the 356 area, pulled all the way down here to $2. And it's coming back up. It's up there at the 280 area. So keep an eye on LBIX. See what's going to do today. You can see kind of looking at the chart from Friday, this thing went crazy right there at open. From the $1.80 area, jumped all the way up there to $3.10. My first buy was there at the $1.95 area. Took profit right there, and then bam, it went higher. Well, I don't want to talk about it, but LBIX, big crazy one from Friday. We'll see if this has some power to do something today again. So wild one. Also looking here at TRXC. TRXC on Friday jumped up there from the $1.50 area up there to $2.60, and kind of got stuck around that area, $2.60, $2.70 area. And then today jumped up again up there to the $3.40 area, and it's pulling back. So TRXC pulled back really hard there from the $3.45 area back down there to the $2.45 area. Got 4.2 million shares traded this morning so far. So a lot of volume, a lot of action going on there. But you can see it's having some trouble there at the 270 area. So it looks like there's a big float here. 150 million shares is a big float. That's a lot of profit taken. I don't know if that's just profit taken. You can see from the 340 area down to the 240 area. That's a decent amount of profit taking. I mean, I guess it's still up there from the $1.40 area, but still, that's a lot of profit taking. When would I look to buy TRXC here? I probably look to buy over this 270 area. So you can see on Friday, had trouble there at the 270 area. And you can see resistance there, 270 area, 270 area. Didn't want to go above it. Yeah, so we'll kind of watch that 270 area here. Maybe $3 area. 270, $3 area, obvious areas to be watching here. So yes, having issues with SureTrader this morning. If you're just now tuning in, SureTrader could possibly have just closed down, took all of our money, and ran for the hills. But yeah, buying power and equity and everything is messed up on SureTrader today. So hopefully that's not hopefully that's not a sign for what's to come today. Hopefully they get it worked out here. They got about 27 minutes, but I doubt it. They're normally not very fast to fix anything. So we'll see what happens. What screen capturing software do you use? Send me $5 and I'll tell you what I use. Just $5. No, I'm just kidding. It's called OBS. I'm using OBS. It's like a streaming program that people use. OBS. That is not a stock. That's not a stock to buy. That's a streaming platform. Other than that, this morning, what else? I'm looking at this stock TGTX. So TGTX on Friday gapped down from the 1188 area down there to 825. Oh, I guess it's this morning. Sorry. TGTX this morning gapping down from the 1188 area down there to 825. And it's kind of stuck in this area right now, the $9.50, $10 area. I was looking here at the $10 area, possibly going short. And I didn't pull the trigger just because I didn't have any buying power and couldn't really get that many shares anyway. So stayed away from it. But TGTX Might be a possible short here for some of the short bias traders in the chat today. I was looking at ITUS. ITUS, we're gonna move lower today. No shares, just short there. LBIX up above that 285 area now, up there to 290. I think that $3 area is gonna be a key area to watch here. I'd like to see this get above $3 and then find some support there at the $3 area. Yeah, it's not looking like an amazing morning so far. Kind of just looking around here. What stocks are moving around? XXII. XXII there. Got up there to the 320 area this morning. Kind of pulling back now. What else was I looking at? I was looking at Ruby Tuesdays. Ruby Tuesdays. Jump up there from the $2 area up there to 246 now. Not sure what's going on with this company. But RT. Ruby Tuesdays, baby. Maybe their unlimited apps have been working out for them. Looking here at EXEL. EXEL. I feel like that's a good name for like a computer company. So EXEL jumping up there to the $30 area, pulling back now. There are shares just short here if you want to get crazy. Looking at the chart right now, the VWAP's there at the 29.21 area. So this is below the VWAP right now. Looks like it's trending lower. Not having the power to go higher over this 29.80 area. So EXEL up there, that 29.77 area. Pulling back down there. What's going on? Custom Box Shop TV. It's a long name. Long name to call out every morning, but I do it. LBIX up there to that 295 area now. I like it. I like it. See if we can get this move back above this $3 area. It's looking like it's going to happen. Looking like it wants to happen here. LBIX, nice little dip buy if you got in this morning. Look at that. Wolf already done for the day. He's not even going to stick around. You don't even want to watch, see what happens at open. He's going to take his profit and go. I like it. What is the range of stock value you scan and play? Normally, it's not really a I mean, kind of more just focused on the moves of the momentum. I've traded $100 stocks, $200 stocks, $20 stocks, $1 stocks. It really just depends if there's a possible move going on there. Not so much worried about the actual price of the stock, but more worried about what the volume is, what the news is, what's going on there. Are you looking to short LBIX? I am not looking to short LBIX. There are no shares to short, at least right now. Man, Julian, everyone's done for the day. Why didn't I should have jumped in here on LBIX this morning. Should have jumped in and I could have been done already. You guys are killing me. Percent change, yes. Percent change. Looking for those gappers, baby. Stocks that are gapping up. So it looks like TGTX pulling down there through that 950 area right now. I talked about this one a couple minutes ago. I was thinking about going short here this morning, but I'm having some issues with my buying power. TGTX down in that 950 area, getting stuck there at the $10 area. 5-cent ticker. There it is, down there at 940 now. How much more is it to trade pre-market? It's not anymore. Some brokers charge you after hours fees differently, but no difference for SureTrader. See if TGTX breaks through this 940 area now. And TRXC coming back up, finding some support there at the 230, 240 area. See if this wants to get above that 270 area. Start making that curl back up higher. Big float like we talked about earlier, so it's going to take a lot of volume, a lot of action to get this stock moving. I'm using crossover to run SureTrader if you're wondering how I'm doing it on a Mac. How is he doing it on a Mac? LBIX down that 285 area. So you give it a pullback down there to the 280s. Build some support up there. And there it opened. Make that move up above that $3 area. Why am I wanting LBIX to rise? It's not that I want LBIX to rise. I just want some kind of stock to go higher so I can buy it and sell it. And right now, it looks like LBIX is really the only stock that's moving this morning. Money, money, money. Charlie knows what we want. There goes TGTX. Heading lower now. Oh, I hate when this happens. Got gun shy this morning. Didn't pull the trigger here on this short. This would have been a beautiful short here at the $10 area. Down there to 935 now. You can see TGTX gapping down from the 1180 area all the way down there to 825. Coming back up, finding that resistance there at the $10 area. Now pulling down there, 930. Going lower. $925 now. TGTX. Oh, there she goes. 920s. Other than TGTX right now, what else? Stock moving lower here. Taking a look here at LBIX again. LBIX slowing down volume. Volume spiking up there for this move, and then now the volume is just not there. Only 500,000 shares traded so far. Finding some support there at the 285 area. So we'll see if that 285 area wants to hold and get this move above this $3 area. Nope, no equity, no buying. My buying power is still only 2 times, and the equity's wrong as well. So, SureTrader having issues this morning. CASI gapping up with 8,000 shares traded. Yeah, no margin on $3 stocks. Below $3 stocks. XXII jumping up there this morning to the 320 area, pulling back down there now to the $3 area. Got EXEL, find some support there, the 2860 area, up to the $29 area right now. And might be a slow morning, you know. Last couple of weeks, what was it, last like 2 weeks? We've had some really just wild morning. Had a wild couple mornings, and today might just be one of the slower ones. CLSN jumping up this morning again, up there to that 468 area, pulling back down there to the 436. Looking at the daily chart, CLSN Having that resistance there at the $6 area. It's a long way for it to go so far, but only 22,000, what, 200,000 shares traded. TRXC, no shares is short. Have I placed a trade yet? No trades yet. I was thinking about shorting TGTX this morning. And just got gun shy there. TGTX up there at the $10 area this morning. Thought about going short there. It's down there to 920 now. Been trying to stop myself from trading pre-market. But probably should have done it. Probably should have done it. So really, I mean, LBIX is the only thing that's moving this morning in terms of, you know, small cap, big gapper, runner kind of stock. Keep looking here at the scanner to see what's going on. Not much is moving. Ruby Tuesdays. VHC, VHC this morning, moving around. It's up 16% right now. No live stream trading today. You guys got to come check out the chat room. We got a free trial going on in the chat room. You can come trade in the chat room for free for 4 or 5 days. If you like it, you can stay. If you don't like it, you can leave. And send me an email. Check it out. It's info@playandDayTradeProfit.com. There's a link in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Oh, I traded. Blue glasses are working pretty nice, actually. I feel like my eyes are a little bit better. They get really dirty, though. I don't know. I think these cheap glasses just aren't very easy to clean. It's like looking through my windshield, a bunch of bugs on there and stuff. I gotta clean these before market open, at least. I got them for, like, I think $10 off Amazon. Juan, did you send me your Skype username? I don't think you sent me your Skype username. Sorry, there's a bunch of, I got a bunch of emails this morning. I got to get through them. If you're emailing me right now while getting into the chat room, we'll get you in tomorrow morning. Market's about to open here in So LBIX up to that $3 area again. Trying to get through that $3 whole dollar resistance there. LBIX. Looking for this move above $3. You can see on the 5-minute chart here, got that resistance coming up there at the 356 area. So on Friday, LBIX got up there to that 356, pulled back, and then just crashed into close there through $3, down there to $2 area, 206, and now this morning it's coming back. And see if this wants to go up higher. Charlie Robinson wants to come stay with me. Uh-oh. This could get weird. So LBIX, some sellers sitting there at the 299 area right now, holding it down. And yes, we're all having issues with SureTrader this morning. Yeah, I'm gonna start my I'm gonna start what is just some new I'm gonna start like a day trading apartment complex. Just have a bunch of day traders all living in an apartment complex. Where will I get into LBIX? I like to see LBIX get above this $3 area here, and then find some support there, kind of hold that $3 area, look for a pullback, and then let it move higher from there. A training camp. Yeah, I'm gonna start a new website called Learn Plan Profit. Learn Plan Profit. Don't ever trade. Just learn and then plan, and you'll profit. So getting an update from SureTrader, they're having issues. They have their programmers working to solve this matter as quickly as possible. Well, it's not quick enough because the market's about to open in 10 minutes, you idiots. What are you guys doing? Money, 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 money. All right, all right. $3. Here we go. LBIX up to that $3 area. This is the 5-minute chart. Let me get to the 1-minute chart here. Up to that 305 now. 301, big buyer stepping up there. 304, 308. There she goes. Now let's see if she wants to get above $3 and hold for a little bit. So we're looking for a pullback here. And pull back down to that $3 area and then hold. I want to see it get above that $3 area and then hold that $3 area. Hold the line there, $3 here on LBIX. So we got some buyers stepping up there at 305 now. There she goes, up there to 310. 310. It's going higher. LBIX. Let's see if we get this pullback. Looking for this pullback down here to the $3 area. I want to see it touch that $3 area real convincingly. I think there is a margin restriction on LBIX as well. Uh-oh. That's not good. Let me see if I can even buy 1,000 shares. Let's see if we can do it here. Nope. Oh, man. Wait. Yeah, I can't even buy 1,000 shares of LBIX right now. Well, that's no fun. So LBIX up there, that 310 area. See if we get this pullback down here to the $2.99, $3 area. Look to get filled on a dip here. This thing wants to go crazy. Got about 8 minutes till market open. LBIX. There's a 1-to-1 restriction on margin here on LBIX. Getting bought up there, down there to $3 again. $2.99. See if it's going to hold here. Big seller stepping up there at $3, trying to crash it. See if it looks like it's going to get eaten out here. I can't even buy 500 shares. Oh, you got to be kidding me right now. What? I don't have enough buying power for 500 shares? That's crazy. Oh, man. How can I not buy 500 shares? What's the math on that? I can't even buy 500 shares right now. This is insane. 1,500. I have equity. I got $2,400 equity. And I can't buy 500 shares. Well, that's going to ruin the party today. It's 1-to-1 margin. I have 2,500 equity. And I can't buy it. And there she goes, up there to 312 now. I was trying to get in there at the 301 area. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. LBIX up there to 315 now. Well, this is that's not fun. Could have made a quick 50 bucks there on LBIX up there to 315 now. Trying to get filled there at 301. Had plenty of time to get filled. I can't even buy 300 shares. Watch. 300 shares. Oh, I can buy 300 shares, but I can't buy 500 shares. How does that make sense? I can buy 400 shares, but I can't buy 500 shares. That makes no sense. How does that make any sense? It makes no sense to me. How can I buy 400 shares, but not 500 shares? For anybody wondering, people always give me crap about using SureTrader. The reason I use SureTrader is because it's the only broker that I can do a $1,000 challenge in. There's no other broker out there that I can put $1,000 in, have 6 times margin, and build the account quickly in. And obviously, I know SureTrader is a terrible broker. I am by no means a big fan of SureTrader, but when it comes down to it, it's really the only broker that's going to let me trade with $1,000 for this YouTube challenge. You guys people want to see me turn $1,000 into more money, and it's just I can't do it with another broker. It's not that I don't want to use other brokers. I have other brokers. I have a TD Ameritrade account that I use. I have all my large positions in, bigger account with TD Ameritrade, but SureTrader is the only one that I can use for this challenge. So it's not that I don't want to use other brokers, but it is what it is. Yeah, the Robinhood $1,000 challenge, that would be even worse. Exactly. So LBIX up there to that 315 area now. Was trying to get filled there at 301. Couldn't get filled. SureTrader said I can't buy 500 shares. They wouldn't let me buy 500 shares. That was painful. So LBIX up there to 315. It's almost 9:27 now. Market's gonna open here in 3 minutes. So we'll keep watching this $3 area here on LBIX. See this morning where it's gonna go. What's gonna happen? Keep an eye on that 356 area of resistance, 350 area resistance here on LBIX. And then you got that high of day on Friday there at 376. So kind of key areas to watch. If this gets above that 350 area, watch that 380 area for that move up there to $4. And yeah, I think LBIX is going to be stock to keep an eye on this morning. Other than that, not really seeing anything right now. But if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit me up on StockTwits or Twitter or everything you use. Hit me up on it. We got a free Facebook trading group as well if you want to join that. It's in the description. There's a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll be hopefully trading today. Maybe not trading. I'm going to see what happens here at open. I might just call it a day if SureTrader can't fix their issues here. I don't want to lose money because SureTrader doesn't let me have the right buying power here. So I'll talk to you guys later.